Quick idea on a couple curtains. One set came too high or too low, and so they didn't match up. But a lot of times, and I'm using a valance over this, so this is just a quick solution. A lot of curtains sometimes have a piece for a second set, a curtain rod, or a second valance. And so what I was able to do was, instead of using the bottom piece that I did like this one, is use the top piece, and that way these match up on the bottom. Just kind of a quick solution. Might help somebody out there when you've got two sets of curtains that one set was too low. Kind of a rare thing to happen, but hopefully help somebody else out there. This one's going to have a valance up top, so it's not going to matter. But it is going to matter how they meet up at the bottom. Quick fix. Covered with the nice and easy.